welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, we are at the ultimatemedium.com course, part 25 of 30, how to find other medium.com writers to communicate with. Well, my friends, we have already discussed Facebook groups, Reddit, Twitter, LinkedIn. These 4 platforms we have discussed, and obviously you can contact and communicate with Medium writers on these platforms, my friends. You can communicate with them. There is no harm in communicating, contacting with them, maybe do a collaboration with them on either YouTube or on Medium as an interview or something, whatever, my friends. But the best way, the 2 ways that I'm going to be showing you. First of all, once you look at the profile of a content creator on Medium writer, you can see their website and you can go through their website contact form, contact them from there. You can, if you find their email address, you can contact them through their email address. And the last but not the least, the best way, to be honest with you, is just highlight a text, part of the text of any Medium writer you want to contact. And I have already made a tutorial about it, but it's so important. You click this lock button after highlighting a text and leave a private note. Tell them to share their Twitter handle or LinkedIn handle or whatever, my friends, email address, whatever. Just contact them, communicate with them. So you can collaborate on different platforms. You can make a business. You can hire someone as an editor on your publication. If you want to get your editing done on one of your articles, Medium stories, you can send a draft to these editors and later on for checking mistakes and stuff like that. There are so many things that you can communicate with other Medium writers. So these are all the ways you can contact and communicate with other Medium writers, my friends. Thanks for watching. I'll be signing off. Stay tuned, my friends, as part 26 is coming right up. Take care.